Hello everyone, we are reading chapter 5, that is fraction, and today we will learn comparing fraction. Okay, so comparing fraction means here we have to find out the greater, smaller and equal. Okay, so comparing like fraction. Suppose first we have to find out the what do you mean by like fraction. So if the denominator of both the fraction are the same, okay, if the denominator of both the fraction are same, then the compare the numerator of the fraction and the fraction with the bigger numerator is the bigger fraction. And what do you mean by like fraction? Like fraction means the fraction where denominators are same. Okay, the fraction where denominators are same. Suppose 3 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5. So all these are in like fraction where denominators are same. That type of fraction is known as like fraction. So how to compare when the like fraction is there? So here you can see here 4 by 8 and 5 by 8. It is given here. Now see here. These both are same. Now we will see the numerator. Okay, now we will see the numerator. Which one is bigger, 4 or 5? Yes, 5 is bigger. That means 5 by 8 is bigger. So if the denominators are same, we will compare the numerator. If got it? If the denominators are same, we will compare the numerator. Only in like fraction. Why like fraction? Because denominators are same. That is known as like fraction. Got it? Now comparing unlike fraction. Unlike fraction means what? Unlike fraction here. Unlike fraction means where the denominators are not same. Okay, where the denominators are not same. See, the denominators are not same and the numerator is also not same. But this is called unlike fraction. But see here, with the same numerator, with the same numerator, okay, that is also called a unlike fraction with the same numerator but different denominator. So now see here what how to compare unlike fraction with the same numerator. Now here 2 by 5 by 2 and 5 by 8 is given here. Now what we have to do, both the numerators are same. Now we have to see the denominator and keep it in mind the fraction have the same numerator here. Okay, if the numerator of both fractions are same, then the fraction with the smaller denominator is the bigger fraction. Got it? The if the numerators are same, okay, if the numerators are same, then we will see the denominator, and a smaller denominator is the bigger fraction. Here I'll show you. I'll show you. See here. The question is 5 by 2 and 8 by 5 by 8. Now numerators are same. Now which one is bigger? This 8? No. In here the case is opposite. Here which one is bigger? This 2 is bigger because this 2 is a smaller numerator. Okay, the smaller denominator becomes the greater, bigger fraction. Suppose here 10 by 15, okay, and here 10 by 30. So now see the numerator both are same. Now which one is bigger? So the smaller numerator is the bigger fraction. That this means 15 is the bigger one. Okay, 15 is the bigger one in this situation if the numerators are same. Got it? Now here unlike fraction with different numerators. Now here different numerators and different denominators are there. So what we will do here? We will do the cross multiplication of the number. What we will do? Cross multiplication of the number. Okay. So see here. This 7 is multiply is equal to 14. And here 3 is multiply is equal to 15. So 3 we will multiply with this. So what we will write here? 5, and here what we will write here? 2. In the same way, here 2 7 this 2 into 7 is 14, and here 5 into 3 is 15. Now which one is bigger? 14 or 15? 15 is bigger, yes or no? That means 5 by 7 is bigger. Now I'll show you again. Suppose here 2 by 6 and 7 by 10. Okay, 7 by 10. Now here we will do the cross multiplication. So here 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20. Then here 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 42. So now which one is bigger? 7 multiplied by 6. This means this 7. So 7 by 10 is bigger. Got it? So you always write this number first and this number first here. Okay, means this number first and here this number first in the same way. So now we can do the, got it? Now let's do it. Now how to compare a mixed fraction? Okay, mixed fraction. This is mixed fraction, 4 whole 1 by 3 and 5 whole 3 by 7. Now see, check the whole number. This is 4 and this is 5. Obviously 5 is greater, so we will write here 5. But one more way to do, suppose if the question is 5 whole 1 by 2 and 5 whole 3 by 7. Now what we will do, both the whole numbers are same. This is equal. This is equal or what? No, we cannot say this is equal. Now what we have to do here, first we will convert it into a improper fraction. So 2 5 is 10 plus 1 11, 11 by 2, and here 6 7 5 35, 35 plus 338 by 7. Now see the, now just you multiply it. So 11 multiplied by 7 is equal to 77, and 38 multiplied by 2 is equal to 979. Okay, so 76. Now which one is bigger? This 11 is bigger. That means 11, this fraction is bigger because we got 11 by 2 from this fraction, 5 whole 1 by 2. So that means 11 by 2 is greater. So 5 whole 1 by 2 is, got it? Now, so fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks, fill in the box with the greater than, smaller than, and equal to. How we will do? The question is 3 by 4 and 2 by 5. So we don't know which one is bigger. So what we can do? We will do, because see, this is both the numerator and denominators are different, unlike fraction. Okay, so number A, 3 by 4 dash, so I'll write it, make it box. Here 2 by 5. So now I'll write here 3 by 4 and here 2 by 5. So you just multiply with this and here you multiply with this. So here 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15, and this is 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 10. Now see here 3. So this is 3. So now which one is bigger? 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15, is bigger. That means 3 by 4 is greater. Okay. Now here also 5 by 6 and 1 by 7. So number B, 5 by 6 and here 1 by 7. So again we will do the same thing. 5 by 6, here 1 by 7. So just you multiply with that. Always you write down numerator first. Okay, 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 35, and here 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6. That means 5 by 6 is greater. Now number C. Okay, 2 by 9, then 3 by 5. So 2 by 9, 3 by 5. So multiply it. Always you write numerator first. 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. And here 3 multiplied by 9 is equal to 27. That means 3 is greater, that is 3 by 5 is greater. Now 3 by 7 and here 3 by 5. So I told you, see the numerator are same. That means the smaller denominator is the bigger. Got it? Now number E, 3 by 7 and 4 by 5. So 3 by 7, 4 by 5. So multiply it, cross multiplication. So always you write numerator first. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15 and 4 multiplied by 7 is equal to 28. If you will not write here, otherwise you will get confused. Okay, so you always write the numerator first. Okay, so now which one is bigger? 4. That is 4 is here. That means this 4 by 5 is greater. So here this is greater. Here this one is greater. And number C, 3 by 5 is greater. And here 5 by 6 and here 3 by 4. Got it? So in this way we will solve the problem. Got it, children? So you do practice. Okay. Thank you everyone.